Hello, welcome to Aaron's. What?
Hi.
Are you mocking me?
Alright, it's time to get this fixed. It's been abandoned here for a while.
Yeah, how long has it been since you started it?
Probably like almost 6 months. You reckon it'll start?
Yeah,
Yeah, it is.
basically bulletproof.
Trying to access the driver's seat. This is very easy.
You're gonna. Alright, give it a start.
It runs.
It does. Gonna give it a bit of a clean, are we?
Yeah, it did.
And it's missing a few bits.
Yes, the bumpers that are at the back of the house. They'll be fixed. Because you might as well film the car to get.
Yep. That happened.
I'm scared of those hose now.
Yes. Seriously,
Fuck this hose, man. Oh,
too much back
why has it
pressure.
done that? No, this is broken. Ah. I don't think this is what this tool's designed for.
No.
You're so toy.
Alright, hopefully we have better luck with this one. Yeah, so you're gonna give this thing a little bit of love.
Yes.
What did you have in mind?
We're going to start with pulling the motor out. It's need to pull the bottom of the motor off to check the bearings in there. It's got a bit of a noise to it, so we might as well do that.
Do the sump gasket as well?
Yeah, and the rear main seal needs to be done. Want to re-rack all the headers and stuff as well while it's out. So it'd be a bit of a mission, and tidy up this engine bay, get rid of all these random wires hanging around.
Sweet.
This will be fun.
And then there's a few other things to do, I think.
Yes, and all the brakes need to be all
Painted.
rebuilt and done. We're going to get rid of the tow bar, I think. And this needs to be repaired where it got crashed into with a digger. And the exhaust needs a bit of love too.
You're gonna change it to a straight through exhaust.
Yeah, it's got a bit of rust on there. I need to make 2 exhausts, one which is legal and one which is not. Yeah, I guess we'll jack it up where it is. It won't be hard.
Yeah, and probably take the bonnet off. Yeah, okay, well let's do that. You're gonna jack it up with the tow bar.
To start with, to get enough height so you can get the jack under the side.
That makes sense to me.
So we'll use this jack here, which is brand new.
Mm.
Should use a bigger spanner so it doesn't look like it was so weak.
Cool, so we got the bonnet, got the wheels off.
Yeah, that's off. Have noticed something that we forgot about.
Yep,
The back left is a 4 stud. We need to put a new stud in that.
we do.
Nah, easy. Won't take long at all.
Well, that's probably all we're gonna do for today, isn't it?
Yep.
Yeah.
Then we next video we'll start pulling the motor out, I reckon. Excellent.
Cool, alright, see you next time.
Ciao.